Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trendy dancer. Walk on peeps to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Welcome back guys to the trendy dancehall. Today video I got kinda ethic, but at the latest news, as April. So watch you know. Man on most wanted list killed by cops, as April. Jamaica most wanted man that a Delano Wilmot, known as Prekeh Bwoy, who has been killed by a cop. As April. So he was reportedly shot dead during an operation by members of the security force in Cambridge, St. James early this morning. So Wilmot was allegedly among a group of gunmen that fired on a joint police military team in September 2008, injuring 2 soldiers. So from that time, which everybody's supposed to know, but you see me from them time, when he would roll with this brown youth, I'm here say I'll kill him family car. Them cruel enough people, them money are wicked way at all. But you see me, you get what I say. But anyway, so from them time till now, police and lawman has been on an intense hunt for them money. You see it? Alright, so with that said and done, Wilmot friend, which are Richard Anderson, that a Cruz, he was killed under M16 assault rifle was seized. Wilmot was almost presumed dead during that incident. So Wilmot have Prekeh Bwoy, Cruz have next friend, Maserati. But big man thing, you see them brother here people, them are real, when I say murderer, killers, you see me, bad company, everything in our one. You see me, cause I think everybody supposed to hear the news from them time there. Cause if you hear me I say right now, them talk about 2018. Them do all of them something there, you get me? Yeah. So me hear them with them on the road from Barbados to Desop and boat and thing. But me I tell you them money are serious, me I tell you no. Serious. I doubt it they make people know where them there. Why must say so? Cause them money and nobody now look for trust them people, because them kill them own family and them something there. You see me? So if nobody for do even know, it a go beat up on them side, because them no want them for know a bigger man thing. So I'm not sure if them sure if are the right man them killed, but police confirm say Prekeh Bwoy. You get me? And that happened today earlier in a St. James that a Montego Bay at Cambridge. You see, pray. Wrong, I say wrong. But them not get shot at Cambridge, but the incident before that did happen at Cambridge. What me I say is that the report was that him allegedly him dead confirmed today. You see me? So you have some man out there differently who work with the force and them serious when it comes to feed them business. You see me? So probably the new set of man them when me hear politics watch I talk about. You see me? Yeah man. Bigger man thing, I remember like in a 2018 them time there, when reports made that them money them did a walk up and down and them just go on with beer wildness. You see me? Yeah, I can remember good and I almost actually remember most things that them would have make happen, and that before me I do YouTube. You see me? So like now when I get the chance to do YouTube, actually it make me more connect with the information then when I get, you see me, so it more for add up. You get me? And so it seems like as if me no want really go around the corner and talk, but I feel like say the government and Prekeh Bwoy have some kind of deal will expire, so them just get rid of him. You see me? Cause when I go say man can't depend on the road and them something there, them think they happen regular and thing, but a Jamaica place like this, or him leave and or him come in back on boat and them something there. You see me? Might be at them say no what Prekeh just breeze the place them time there, you see it? Bigger man thing. I saw me pray guys. You see me? And comment down below tell me your phone point of view, but I know say something out of something with that brother, yeah. Really say. But anyways guys, at the end of the video this, please consider and subscribe, like, share to a friend, a family, no matter. You see me? And bless up yourself like normally, because that's how we do it. Yeah man, so we'll connect though. Yeah.